The conditions that induce these altered states include such common experiences as isolation, fatigue, hunger, and rhythmic sound, and thus are likely to be rediscovered by different generations and cultures. Since these states may be pleasurable, meaningful, and healing, they are likely to be actively sought, and methods of inducing them remembered and transmitted across generations. From the book The Spirit of Shamanism by Roger Walsh. In the world of Chinese martial arts, the animal styles are those systems of self-defense that are based upon the combat movements of either real or mythical animals. The better-known styles include tiger, leopard, lion, crane, eagle, phoenix, snake, dragon, white ape, monkey, and praying mantis, to name a few. Each school has its own legend about the style's origins. Like parables, these legends preserve and teach strategic and philosophical principles. While the legends of the animal styles are part myth and part mysticism, what of the actual fighting techniques? Are they myth as well? Popular opinion holds that the techniques of the animal styles resemble the movements of the animal after which they are named. The tiger style would copy the tiger's raking claws. The crane style would imitate the bird's pecking and poking actions. The snake would embody coiling and striking techniques, and the dragon would use twisting and clawing actions. While some techniques do resemble the patron animal, most techniques do not. If this is true, then why name the style after an animal to begin with? One theory is that each style embodies the animal's behavior, characteristics, or personality. Each animal species has a distinct personality that is imitated to add an emotional energy to the fighting movements. The tiger is strong and fearless, hence the fighting style emphasizes confidence and strong, powerful movements. The crane is somber and elusive, hence the style uses a detached attitude and light and expansive movements. In addition, each animal embodies a specific combat strategy. The tiger is direct, the snake is penetrating, the crane is evasive, the leopard is tricky, and the dragon deceptive. By combining the animal's physical characteristics and archetypical personality, the ancients were able to create a body-mind synergism between physical movement, strategic approach, and psycho-emotional energy. This created a prepared emotional response to the shock of combat. One of the most essential principles in any emergency is to have a plan of what to do. Not having a plan increases the likelihood of panic, and panic drastically reduces the odds of survival on the killing ground. If you believe you are able to call upon a hidden source of power, you are less likely to react with panic and flight when confronted with life-threatening situations. The following videos examines the personality and strategy of the 5 animals traditionally credited as being the original 5 schools or branches of the Shaolin Temple. Emotional and strategic principles can be applied to any form of martial arts. According to tradition, each person will find he has an affinity for one of the animals, and recognizing one's own strengths and weaknesses in the animal's personality will adopt that style in training and combat. Finally, The following methods have much in common with the shamanic tradition of calling upon the strength of the guardian spirits. Those that have practiced these methods can attest to the increase in strength and agility. It is likely that there is a synchronization between the three centers, or three parts of the brain, that occurs when one fights according to the animal forms and is the source of strength one experiences.